So if you want to charge deposit policy from your guests, what you need to do is log into your booking account, click on property, go to policies. So in this page you can set up different policies for your apartment or guest house. So scroll down and you need to find here damage policies. So let me search. So here it is, damage policy options. Guests aren't required to pay a damage deposit. So if you want them to leave a damage deposit, you need to click on this edit button. So next what you should do is do your guest pay a damage deposit. You should click on yes. Here you can select if you want to handle a damage deposit yourself, or if you want to set up a damage program that Booking.com will do it for you. So for example, you would like to charge guests when they will arrive to your apartment. So click on here. Here you need to enter the maximum amount a guest could be charged for a damage. So it's, for example, 200 euros, and this is what they will be charged. And here you need to select how you collect payment. Bank transfer, cash. Usually here people select cash. You can also select credit card. Okay, so when you will collect this on arrival, so when check-in. How do you want to return the damage deposit? Select the option, so make sure to select here the same option. Usually guests would like to receive, if they pay by cash, they would like to receive money back by cash. If they pay by credit card, most people will be happy to get refund on their credit card. But you should do refund on a credit card on the same day when guests will check out. And make sure to notify guests that money will be back to his credit card in next 2-3 days after refund, after initiation of refund. Also, let me show you how this will look for a guest. For example, if I put $50, yeah. So for a guest, when they will do reservation and they will fill all details, they will be redirected to payment page, and here they will see damage deposit, what is fully refundable. So this will be additional option. So here it is here. So this what guests should leave when they will live in a cache when they will check in your apartment.